What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned back in with them Jennings boys, man, and we back with another video for y'all, man. Make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, like this video, man, and make sure y'all we keep running these numbers on up. As y'all can see, we finally back in the C8, man. We finally got the C8 back outside, man. It's the first day of March. It's supposed to be 70 degrees out today. So I figured I'd bring the C8 out. Plus Otto wanted to get some footage of it, so this the perfect day to bring it out. We on our way to the shop right now. Heading to the shop to work. Got a bunch of stuff to get done today. We're gonna be we got that container, so we're gonna be leveling that container out. I gotta get some concrete bricks to level that container out, and then we're gonna be building some storage shelves in there so we can start putting all our truck parts and miscellaneous stuff that we don't need in the garage in there, so we can get this garage cleaned out. I'm trying to get this garage all cleaned out and get it all set up with our tire tools and stuff, all the new tire tools and stuff we get. So we'll be doing that, and we're gonna be getting footage of the C8 today and whatever else we end up getting into. You know how it is up here at the shop. Pulling up now. Who the fuck is in my spot? Who the fuck in my spot? Nobody tell you to park there. I'm about to get me a sign right there. No parking. Reserve parking. That's my spot. I'm gonna pull back here for now. I hate when somebody park in my spot. Park over there along the gate. We're gonna put him right here, y'all. Yeah, make sure y'all go like this video and stay tuned, man. Finally got one. You see all the trucks out here. Other container up there. About to get this drop. Get that garage cleaned out, build some shelves in here. Get all our parts and tools and stuff nice and neat in here. Gonna pull out from underneath it? Pulling out from underneath it? Yeah. Okay. That's one way to get them on. Okay. Just like that. She dropped. Hey, what flag is this? United Arab Shipping Company. That's cracking, boy. About to do a tummy tuck on this, nah. About to, throw some D's on the container real quick. Yeah, we gotta level him out. We didn't already dug it out. We gotta get it level first, put these concrete blocks under here. And then we gonna build the shelves once we get it level. We gotta get it level first. Damn, I knew I was. That shadow had me confused. Nigga, my beard coming in. The beard is the identity.
That goatee, goddammit.
Shout out to KB. He said the beard is the identity. You still gotta open the door up. Nah, you was good.
You straight.
You straight right there. Yeah, that's Lee right there. Yo. Cause that's gonna open and we still gotta swing these doors open. So we gonna need that room in there. Stay steady on there too. In the middle. Can't swing that bitch. That's that trick. That Sony.
Oh, yeah.
GoPro, you can swing that mug. That, you gotta keep that mug still. When you swing that, it looks crazy. It don't warm up.
So the fuck did. Man, they controlling this shit, man. It get warm 1 minute and it get cold the next minute. They playing with the with the controls, with the knob and shit. They like
Give 'em rain today, fuck it. So you been.
What's that?
Oh. Nigga, crank that bitch up like a whip. So what you say? You throwing the center? Ah, to level it out. Ah. Did you say big money at Menards?
Lowe's good.
Oh, never mind.
Menards more expensive. Both sides came up for real, didn't it?
That's what I said. I would have put it. That block
My
on.
goofy ass got 6 of them.
Thought you was gonna use the whole thing all the way around.
Like, you only need like 2 of these.
I need one more good crank on that bitch. On that bitch. There we go. This one right here ain't good, son.
I'm tired already. I'm gonna build these shelves.
Say what?
Tired already. We still gotta build these shelves.
What shelves is it? What are you trying to make? Like, I'm curious.
Hope it's some money calling, boy. Hope it's some money calling. Hell no. Spam.
You put Spam on your sandwiches?
We in lambs now, huh?
Want me to BJ with you? I don't think you needed that back one.
Slide that. This side cool. This side said
That yeah, that side cool. It's just this side's uneven.
tripping.
What?
Trying to be fresh. You know you're supposed to come to the yard fresh.
I'm always fresh. Why not?
Slide that one up. Not that one, the middle one. Slide it towards this way when I lift it back up. The middle one. Yeah, slide it on. How far? Just halfway from where it's at. The middle where it's at.
Alright, toward the other block, right?
Yep.
Huh?
Keep going. Oh, right here. Now make sure it's straight. Yeah, alright, we can in here.
Yeah, B.
There we go.
Bird eye B. Bird eye B. Hey, I ain't scared to be in front of the camera. I got lined up. I got cut this morning. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? Go ahead. You can go ahead and put it on me as much as you want to, cuz. You know?
Front.
Big boy business.
How this shit coming along, man?
Big boy business.
Big boy business.
Draco. Hold the Draco.
Give us a little update, Al. What's going on here? Talk to us, man.
I'm lost in the sauce, cuz. literally map this shit out right now.
Lost in the
Trying to get framed in, you feel me?
Right, good.
We gonna figure it out though.
Framed in, though. Look good, though. Look good.
Hey,
Premium.
We gonna figure it out. Now we gotta go back. We're gonna go back and build our shelves. Go back and build our shelves. We can grab some 2 footers.
yeah.
Okay.
Gang.
Gang. Getting it in, man. So Al said he doing installation. He charged $150 an hour. So he said more than that. He said it varies on the customer. It varies on the job. Y'all hear it here first, man. He do a whole bunch of stuff. He do bunk beds. What else you do, cuz? You do what? You build houses. You do roofing. And he'll build you a bench. But we get to it though, man. Got the light going on, got the screws. Alright, get into it, man. See, it's coming together slowly but surely. I ain't gonna lie, that light the truth. I got this mother looking good because the camera can contain it.
Oh shit!
It's coming together though.
Damn.
I'm trying to learn how to work this one. There it
Yeah,
goes.
we up here. We just have to put that plywood up on this side. This shit's 30 over here. Put that plywood up.
Sturdy dirty. I ain't gonna lie, it look good though. Told you.
You said what?
I said look good though. So what y'all about to do this side now?
I just gotta put that last little shelf up right there.
That's it, that's the last shelf?
Yeah, it's the last one. So I'm gonna stop here. Food.
You just gonna leave this one right here.
Yeah, we're just gonna leave that open.
Makes sense. I'm crazy, I'm telling you, ready, little baby, you know I'm gonna go ahead and go crazy.
Go ahead, pause that. Pause.
Yeah, man. He said he charged $1,000 an hour. Get with him. Get with him.
My motherfucking hand hurt. Arm, I mean.
Right there, that's what I'm talking about. Just don't hit the head. See, he in there getting to it, y'all. Y'all see it, man. It's all together. It's coming alright. You see it, man. You see the work. So what's going on, Al? Tell me what's going on, man. Oh, let me swing this side. Let me swing this way.
I like that.
What you don't like? Yeah, that ain't a good thing. You need to figure out something that can screw into that wall right there.
This bitch won't doing that on this side. Sturdy.
That mug's sturdy.
Blue sticking on this side. Blue sticking on this side. I got some.
That's exactly why I was doing that.
I got some for that go.
You ain't got that premium?
I got some food.
Alright, let's see what's up with
The
it.
rest of the legs, then I got something for that last.
Alright. Well, you see it here first, man. We getting it together. We're gonna try to figure out this situation right there. As you can see what's going on over there. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna figure that out. We're gonna talk
I'll run there and grab that fucking Draco.
We're gonna talk to y'all in a second.
I got
Yeah, he got them racks on there. Alright, fam, we finally got everything done. Minus a couple screws. We ran out of screws, so we gotta go back and get some more screws. But we basically done, man. We got all the shelves up. They all sturdy. We done went up and stood on them. This one still needs some screws in it. But this one back here, good. This one good. And stood well. We done made some extra supports. You know, I ain't no professional, but you know, I had to put my brain together and make it shake. Because we didn't want to penetrate no holes through the side of the container, causing it to leak or anything. So we had to use our brain and make the support strong and make it hold. That way we can put these heavy tools and parts on here. We ain't got to worry about nothing falling off. So we're getting ready to head back to Lowe's, grab some screws. They got some kind of heavy duty bins and everything. We're gonna be sorting all our parts and tools out in the garage and bringing them in here and getting the garage cleaned out. But that's gonna wrap up this video. So make sure y'all stop what y'all doing. Go hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, like this video. We're gonna keep running them numbers on up, man.